So today is August 18th, and you know what I'm doing today? Making Christmas cards. And the reason why I'm making Christmas cards is because I want to sell them for money so I can go places and have life experiences. So I need to start making them early because a lot of people want to buy them in like packs of like 10 or something. So that's why I'm making them in August and not in like November like normal people do. So naturally, I am not coming up with my own ideas. Pinterest is coming up with the ideas for me. So the first card that I would like to DIY is going to be inspired by this. Okay, so this card is pretty simple. First, I'm taking my ruler and I'm drawing a straight line, and at the bottom of that straight line, I am putting a star. And since I can't draw good stars, I am using a stencil. And then underneath the star, I'm writing the letters to spell out Mary. I am now writing Christmas in the bottom right-hand corner. And then I'm taking some candy cane washi tape and putting it on the left side. So now I'm going to try to make this card. I think it's like so adorable, like so excited. If it doesn't turn out right, I'm gonna be so disappointed in myself. So what I'm doing to make this card is I just cut out a piece of blue paper and I glued it on to the card. And next I took a piece of white paper and I cut it out so you can still see some of the blue. And then I took a stencil and I drew a circle in the white paper. And I then drew the same size circle on a pretty blue paper that matched the blue in the background. And I glued that on to the card. Next, I used my ruler to draw a straight line and a bow. Okay, so this card I've actually made before. I actually posted a picture of it on my Instagram story. By the way, you should totally follow my Instagram at Anathea _the_musical. And so it was pretty basic. I just like drew out lights, wrote happy holidays, and then I colored the lights in with my colored pencils, alternating colors, and then that's literally it for this one. Now I'm gonna try to make this card. It's pretty intense for me because I am, how do I put it, artistically challenged, so I don't know how I'm gonna do with drawing all these, but I'm going to try. Okay, so in the end, I decided I'm only gonna draw one of them. So I took a smaller card and then I drew a triangle and a little rectangle to make a Christmas tree, and then I looked through my stencils and I got a star to put at the top of the tree, and I'm doing this all in pencil so I can outline it later.
And now I'm drawing wavy lines in the tree because it is going to be ombre. Now I'm just outlining it with my Pigma Micron. I think I used 0.5. And now I'm just swatching a bunch of different green colored pencils to see which ones would look the best for the ombre. And then I just colored everything in. And then I just wrote Merry Christmas underneath it, and then I just put a heart next to it.
So those were the cards that I made. I hope you have a wonderful day. And remember, kindness inspires kindness. Bye. Subscribe if you want to, but if you don't, that's totally fine as well.